Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about cover order, what is cover order and what are the advantage of it and what are the benefit and how you can place the cover order in Zerodha. So I'll be talking about all these things in the video guys, so make sure you watch this video till the end and get the knowledge about cover order in Zerodha. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational video, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and lot of things regarding the stock market trading, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to a stock market, if you're having loss and if you want to recover the loss and want to learn how to make money constantly in the stock market, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. All the details are in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is given in the description below of this video. Okay, and also here you can see earning proof and feedback from my clients after taking the course. So a lot of people who got into my trading program are now recovered the loss and making money constantly in stock market trading. You can see all of these things with the ledger proof in the blogspot link in the earning proof, so you can watch all of these things and see how my clients are earning constantly after joining with me. So if you're interested to join us and to make money constantly like this, you can join us now. To join us, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. So these are all the feedback messages what I got from my client. So if you're interested, you can go check all of these things, and if you want to make money constantly in the stock market, you can definitely join us now. Okay, and also if you join my course, these are the things what you'll be able to learn and get benefit of. That is, if you join my course, you'll be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique strategies, no need of any indicators. I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit of your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of 10,000 rupees. I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also, as you guys know, my course price are less, and if you're interested, you can join us now to make money constantly. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about cover order. Okay, so what is cover order and what is its meaning? So let's talk about its meaning. So a cover order is an order which is placed along with a compulsory stop loss. So when you are placing a cover order, you will be placing the stop loss with the same order, that is with your entry order you will be placing the stop loss order. Okay, in cover order, the buy or sell order can be a limit or market price, so keep in mind that you can't put an SL order. For example, if the stock is trading at 99 rupees, if you want to buy at 100 rupees, that's not possible. You can buy it in only market or limit order. Okay, so this is the cover order. Okay, and is accomplished with a compulsory stop loss order in a specific range. This stop loss order cannot be cancelled. So once you enter a trade, for example, you're entering a trade with 100 rupees. Okay, so your buy price is 100, your stop loss is 99 rupees, so you can't cancel this stop loss order. Okay, your stop loss of 99, like 99 rupees stop loss, is already fixed, you can't cancel this. Okay, since the stop loss order is being placed simultaneously while getting into the contract, the risk that is being taken automatically reduces. Because the risk reduces, the margin requirement also automatically reduces. Remember that all cover orders, that is called a CO, will be automatically squared off around 3:20 p.m. and hence this is a good tool for intraday traders only. So this cover order is only available for intraday traders. Okay, so Zerodha traders allows placing cover order for NSE, that is equity, FNO and currency, and MCX commodity also. So now let's talk about benefits of cover order for intraday traders. Okay, so first thing is discipline. Placing a stop loss while intraday trading is very important, and most traders usually keep a SL in mind rather than on system. So this is what happens. You actually don't keep the stop loss, you just keep waiting for the stock price to come up or go down. So you will just keep the SL in mind, you will not keep the SL in your trading platform. So that's the main discipline what you get from cover order. Even if you place a SL order, you are most likely to cancel them than rather keeping them on the system. So whenever you keep a stop loss, you'll keep changing also. For example, you'll keep 1 rupee stop loss and again you'll go and modify to 2 rupee stop loss. So these things will be happening. So while placing a cover order, you have a compulsory place a stop loss order with a 1.5% range from where you can enter the stock or contract and cannot cancel such order. This way you can also limit your losses. If any, the SL order can be modified but within the 1.5% range itself, so you can't lose more than 1.5% of your capital, which is very good. Okay, so next comes the higher leverage. The compulsory SL limits your losses, reducing the risk, and hence we can offer more higher intraday leverage compared to intraday orders placed using MIS. You get 20 times margin for equity and up to 7 times for FNO. Cover orders are meant for the intraday traders, as all the cover order position are squared off around 3:20 p.m. for equity and FNO, around 4:30 p.m. for currency. Margin required depends on the stop loss you mention. You cannot carry forward cover orders position for the next day. So this is only for intraday, you can't carry forward. So this is also a good benefit, you're getting higher leverage. Okay, so now let's talk about how to place the cover order. Okay, so to place cover order in the kite tree, you just go here. Okay, and then you'll go to advanced, and once you click on advanced, you'll get this regular BO and CO. So click on CO. So you will enter the quantity, how much you want to buy here, and the price what you want to buy. So it will be a market price or a limit price. Okay, so once you enter in the price, your order will be done. So here is the trigger price. Okay, this is where you keep the stop loss, and here is the entry price where you keep it. Okay, so once you place this stop loss and the entry price, and it's done. So if you want to exit the trade, you want to go to the order book and then click on the exit button to exit the trade. Okay, so this is how the cover order is placed, and this is how it works. So this is about cover order, guys. Hope you guys got a knowledge about this. Okay, so if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also go inside my channel and watch all the videos. Every day I upload a lot of educational videos, strategy, tricks, tips, and lot of things. And also I upload daily how much profit we made, have we made, with the profit screenshot proof of me and my clients. You can watch all of these things, and if you're interested to make money consistently like this, you can definitely join us now. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one.